Hey guys, this is Eddie. I got this inner CV joint that's got a vibration on acceleration, and as you can see, as I pointed there was some pitting going on in that CV joint cup, and decided to take the joint apart, take a peek inside, see what's going on, and this is what we found. Um, it was pretty violent, and this is the ball bearings that ride inside that cup. And as you can see here, that's the inner and that's the outer CV joint. But those ball bearings right inside this cup in those three little spots there, and I don't know if there was something defective with the metal or not, but it certainly did some pitting on that metal and created a pretty violent vibration under acceleration. You got any questions or comments, guys? Leave them in the box below and I'll be happy to answer them for you. Thanks.